Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to outline a picture. My name is Sujin and this is the artificial man. So first open your Chrome browser from your smartphone and type URL remove.bg and then press enter. I'm going to leave this link right in the video description so that you can go through it. After that, touch on upload and then open an image from your gallery. It will automatically remove your background. If you want to know how to remove image background in 5 seconds, you can watch my other video. I will leave link in the description, or you can click that I button. Now, go to picsArt and open your image. If you don't have picsArt application, please download from Play Store. I will leave link in the video description. After that, navigation to border and touch on that. It will automatically create a border for you. Just change the border thickness you want. I recommend you 8 and then save your image. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, and when you do, make sure you click that little bell icon. You will be notified whenever I release a new video. So until I see you next time, stay safe.